In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page on GitHub. This is a straightforward process, and by the end, you will have your very own GitHub Pages website up and running. Now let's dive right in. First, we need to create a repository. If you're not familiar with GitHub, think of a repository as a folder where all of your project's files are stored. Begin by heading over to the GitHub website. Once there, look for the option to create a new repository. It's typically a button that says New Repository. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to name your repository. You might want to choose something memorable like My Website for easy reference. After naming it, go ahead and click on the button to create the repository. This sets up the space where your website files will reside. Once your repository is ready, it's time to create your main web page file, known as the index.html file. While still in your repository, you'll see an option to add a file. Click on Add File, and then select Create New File. Naming conventions are important here, so type in index.html as the file name. This name tells GitHub that this is the main page of your site. Now you'll need to input some basic HTML code to get started. In the text editor provided, copy and paste this snippet. HTML my GitHub website hello world. This is my first GitHub Pages website. This code sets up a simple web page with a title and a couple of sentences in the body. Once you've added the HTML, locate the Commit Changes button, which essentially saves your file to the repository. With your file in place, the next step is to enable GitHub Pages, which is GitHub's service to host static websites. Begin by navigating to the settings of your repository. Often, this can be found at the top or right of your repository page. In the Settings menu, look to the left side and click on the Pages link. Here you'll define how GitHub will serve your website. Under the section labeled Build and Deployment, you'll need to set the source as Deploy from a branch. For the branch, choose Main and select Rat or root as the folder. To finalize these settings, click on Save. This action publishes your website online using the HTML file you've created. Congratulations! You have successfully set up a basic web page on GitHub using GitHub Pages. Remember that any changes you want to make in the future will involve updating the index.html file in your repository and saving those changes. Now your site is live and you can share your page with others. Thank you for watching and happy coding.